In this video from Device Doctor, you will learn how to solve error P on the Canon imageFORMULA DR-C240 document scanner in just a few simple steps.
If you're having trouble with your printer, you can fix it for free on your own. If you have any technical questions or aren't sure which printer to buy, just ask us for expert advice and free support.
Error P on the Canon imageFORMULA DR-C240 appears when the scanner detects a problem with paper handling. This usually happens if the sensors inside the paper path are dirty or something is obstructing them. When the scanner detects this, it stops working to prevent paper jams or damage. Even a small issue inside the scanner can trigger this error, so it will not scan until the problem is resolved. Now let's start the repair. Follow the instructions in the video carefully and proceed step by step. Make sure to place every cover you remove from the scanner in a safe and organized spot, so nothing gets lost later. Next, use a soft brush to carefully clean all the dust inside the scanner. Clean as thoroughly as possible to remove any dirt that might affect its performance. Now use a blower or a hairdryer on a cool setting to blow air through the scanner. This will help remove any remaining dust from the internal parts. If you have a canned air duster, it's best to use it to clean the scanner sensors as well. This helps remove any dust that might interfere with the scanning process. Now take a soft, clean cloth, slightly moisten with rubbing alcohol or a suitable cleaner. Carefully clean all the scanner rollers one by one, making sure each roller is free of dirt and residue. Thank you for watching this video from Device Doctor. We showed how to handle error P on the Canon imageFORMULA DR-C240. We carefully removed covers, cleaned all dust and sensors, and cleaned each roller for smooth scanning. Following these steps will help your scanner work reliably and prevent common errors. If this video helped you, like, share, and subscribe to Device Doctor for more professional repair tips.